I love coming to the Greater New York Dental Meeting. First of all, it's the biggest dental meeting, it's the most exciting dental meeting, and it's New York City.
The energy here was crazy. Oh my gosh, very lively, and just we're super excited, we're super pumped to be here. You have so many different residents, so many different doctors, specialists, labs. You have so many different pieces of the workflow in dentistry coming together as one here by Greater New York.
The vibe here is really good. It's all New York. So when you come here, you get a full New York experience.